Hi. Hi.
PCA. Oh yeah.
He's calling. Okay, get back in. There you go.
Seriously, get your coffee cart through.